everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on House of Zwide from the 8th to the 12th of August 2022 on Monday. Isaac is determined to go through with the heist despite Mulefe's warning, while Faith has a very public meltdown on Tuesday. Isaac pulls a risky move which angers Braketa, while a hunted Faith is convinced into making a drastic decision on Wednesday. Braketa and Isaac gear up to execute the perfect heist. Meanwhile, Ona suspects something is going on between Ria and Funani on Thursday. Isaac pays a heavy price for his mistake, and Faith calls a family meeting that leaves the Zwide shocked on Friday. Mulefe and Soka are forced to come to Isaac's rescue, while Zanele suddenly holds her mother's fate in her hands. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.